Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you feel that the videos are boring, please share the videos with your enemies. So the objective is that please don't stop sharing the videos. Share them with your friends or share them with your enemies so that it will reach to everyone. So coming to this video, I want to discuss about the serial communication and the parallel communication. First, let me discuss about the serial communication or serial transmission. Then we will discuss about the parallel transmission. Then we will discuss about the difference between the serial transmission and the parallel transmission. Suppose let's take that I have device 1 and I have a device 2. Now if the serial communication is happening, let's take that 8 bits of information I want to send. Then how I will send? 1 0 1 0 like that I will send from device 1 to device 2. So the first bit will be 1, second bit will be 0, next 1, like that I am sending 8 bits. Now when I am sending like this, what will happen? Suppose let's take that there is a noise is generated. Am I right or wrong? If the noise is generated for some amount of time, what are the bits are carried or transferred during the time, all the bits will be corrupted. Am I right or wrong? So we can say that we will get burst errors or the more number of bits will be corrupted. Am I right or wrong? Because when we are sending this data, if a noise is occurred for X amount of time, then during that time how many bits I have transferred, all the bits will be corrupted. And one more thing is that this kind of serial communication will be useful for us to transfer for long distance. Okay, we can transfer the serial communication or transfer the data using serial way for a long distance. And another thing is that it is not reliable. Because why it is not reliable? Or let me write it, not reliable. Why it is not reliable? Because you have more number of errors, chances are there. Am I right or wrong? And another thing is that it is cost effective solution. Why it is cost effective solution? I can transfer the data for long distance. However, using the parallel communication, I cannot do it. That parallel communication we will discuss later. First, let me discuss about the serial communication. So, one is that we will get burst errors and we can use for long distance and it is not reliable and it is cost effective solution. And coming to the parallel communication, how the communication will be happen between device 1 and device 2 is that I will have parallel lines. So using these parallel lines, I will communicate. Suppose if I want to send 8 bits, first 2 bits I will send here, next 2 bits I will send using this one, next 2 bits and next 2 bits. Now, the beauty of this one is suppose a noise has occurred in this line for some amount of time, then these bits are only corrupted. What are the bits we have sent during that time? Am I right? Suppose let's take that 0 I am sending, then 1 I am sending. What are the bits I am sending during that time? Those bits are only corrupted. So we will get bit errors only, not a burst number of bits will be corrupted. Only few bits will be corrupted when we are sending the data using the parallel transmission. And another one is that it is not cost effective solution and even we can use the communication for small distance only. Are you able to understand? We can use this parallel communication if the two devices are in very less distance. Am I right? They are very close. And one more thing is that it is a reliable communication. Why it is reliable communication? The number of errors will be less as compared to the number of errors occurred during the serial transmission. So that's why it is reliable. However, it is not cost effective solution. It is not cost effective solution. I hope you have understood what is the serial communication, what is the parallel communication and what is the difference between a serial communication and the parallel communication. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.